Hey guys, Jackson Smith here. This is my 2015 bike check. Starting here, I got proper bike grips. They're really nice, fit my hands nicely. I got demolition bars with an inch cut off both ends to fit my size. And then a Colony jet fuel stem that I only just got like an hour or two ago. And then I got a blank headset with blank forks and a blank complete wheel set front and back. And then coming down here, I got a Colony LX1 seat, and I got Altus PC twisted pedals. They're really nice. I only just got them an hour or two ago. Same thing with my stem. Then I got a Primo sprocket with blank cranks, yeah. And yeah, that's about all. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my bike check.